Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nusria binti Sarimun. My metric number is 238299. I will talk about SWOT analysis that we have done on our product that we want to promote it to UEM student, which is Sompo Travel Insurance and Motor Insurance from CIMB Bank. What is SWOT analysis? SWOT analysis stands for strength, weakness, opportunity, and threat in a business. A study undertaken by an organization to identify its internal, which is resources and experience, for example, strength and weaknesses, as well as its external opportunities and threats. Strength implies on what advantages does an organization have compared to other organization, while weakness is about things that an organization lacks or things that competitors do better than the organization. Opportunities is viewed as significant new business initiatives available to an organization, undeserved market for specific products, and emerging need for an organization's product or services. Threat consists of emerging competitors, changing regulatory environment, negative media coverage, and changing customer attitude toward the company. Strength also can be seen from an organization internal resources such as skills and knowledgeable staffs. Weakness look at what the organization need to improve to ensure their customer satisfaction and good quality of product. An organization need to know how they can use their strength to take advantage of the incoming opportunities, and at the same time they know how they can overcome the weaknesses that prevent them from taking advantage of the opportunities. An organization need to know how they can use their strength to reduce the impact of threats. However, they also need to know their weakness that will make state threats a reality so they can prevent it from happening. Polity, economic, social, cultural, and technology, which is pest analysis, can help to ensure that the organization do not overlook external factors such as government regulation or technological changes in the industry for opportunities and threats. This is a swap for our products, Sompo Travel Insurance and Motor Insurance. This product can be applied via online, which is fast and easy for customers, and they don't necessarily have to go to the bank to apply. It is also a value for money product that has low price to but cover up to 25 benefits, as well as they offer family plan options. This product has so many benefits and strength that when we promote this product, we are sure that UEM students or the staff will be attracted to this product. And then this insurance product is berjaya, and then however this product also have weakness because this insurance product is Berjaya Sompo Insurance Berhad's product and not a product of the bank, and CIMB Bank merely acts as a distributor for this insurance product. For example, when we promote this product in the name of CIMB Bank, means that we are only a distributor for this insurance product, and not the one who in charge of this product, because this product is actually Berjaya Sompo Insurance Berhad product. And then the opportunity that CIMB Bank will get from we promote this product in UUM is typical UUM student like to travel to neighbor countries such as Thailand and Indonesia, uh, uh, and they will be interested in this product because when they go to when they travel, they don't know their safety in other countries. So using this insurance, their safety will be guaranteed because they already have it. And then for the threat, CIMB Bank have other competitors in UEM when we promote their product, because Bank Islam in UEM is most well known to UEM students and staff, because and we believe that yeah, Bank Islam also has this kind of insurance. The difference is we promote this product while Bank Islam didn't promote this product in UEM Varsity Mall. Therefore, that is our strength. But our threat is when Bank Islam know about our promotion, and they want to promote it to the other student too. That's all from me. Thank you.